So the white rug is going to be my base. And draw out some cow spots. Then I'm going to carefully cut out each of those spots. Now it's time to move on to the teal rug. Trace the white spots onto here and cut them out of teal. Then I'm going to grab the teal spots and fit them in where they go, kind of like a puzzle. Then I'm just going to use a generous amount of duct tape and secure the spots. This has the look of a high-end cowhide looking rug. I scooped up this rug off of Facebook Marketplace, vacuumed the rug, spray the whole rug with just some water. I followed the instructions on the back of the dye box, sprayed on the dye, also doing a second coat of the dye, looping around the yarn around my 4 fingers. Place that underneath, and then I'm going to tie that off, and I'm going to cut open the loop. Threaded the end of the tassel on there. This is my finished rug here. I've set it up in my entryway.
Grab some fabric softener and your favorite color of latex paint and measure and cut out squares. Lay the poster board squares on the rug in a checkerboard pattern. Mix together 1 part latex paint to 1 part clear fabric softener. Start to paint in the open areas between the squares. This rug can be used in so many places in your home.
Okay, so for this project, we're going to be using an outdoor paint. Measure off 2 inches all the way around, and then we'll go ahead and add our stripes. We're going to go ahead and remove the tape. The black stripe is going to be next. All right, so here it is. I absolutely love how the rug turned out.
So this is the IKEA Sort Sew rug, and I'm just beginning by folding it in a third. Then I'm going to repeat that on the other side as well. Apply a bead of hot glue, and I'm going to glue one edge down completely, and I'm just going to stuff my pillow, and I'm going to just close up the other end of the pillow. Super easy way to make some cute boho pillows.